Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Where exactly did Chinese forces unfurl their flag in Galwan? Videos showing the unfurling of China's national flag near the line of actual control on the first day of the new year created a massive political uproar. However, analysis of the videos with available open source satellite images and terrain mapping with Google Earth data suggests that the controversial incident did not take place at the site of the June 2020 clash in Galwan Valley. The location, according to the analysis, appears to be a distance of more than 1.2 km from Patrol Point 14, PP-14, the spot of the hand-to-hand combat between India and Chinese forces in June 2020. The border dispute between India and China has not been resolved in the valley and both sides have different claims about the boundaries. The absence of the typical vent easily identified with PP-14 from the videos released by the Chinese sources is the first indicator to suggest that the location of the unfurling could not have been the same. Further matching the terrain properties seen on Google Earth with the frames in the video leads to the possible location of the video. The bright sunlight seen in the videos also matches the southeast orientation of the terrain. Additional, a bridge constructed by the Chinese side can be seen in the video that also matches with the available satellite images. While the Chinese government did not make any official claim about the videos, Chinese state affiliated media publication and social media handles circulated the new videos with aggressive messaging. Some posts implied that China may not have taken a back step in the Galwan Valley as reported earlier. Both India and China have agreed to disengage from the friction point in Galwan Valley and created a buffer zone between the two sides. This understanding prohibited both India and China from carrying out such forward activities at the friction point of Galwan Valley. However, the flurry of social media posts mixed with the varying claims further have led to a political debate questioning the status of quo agreed between India and China following the disengagement in Galwan Valley. BJP minister and Congress MP almost come to blows at Karnataka event. Karnataka Minister CN Ashwanath Narayan and Congress MP TK Suresh got into an argument on stage and nearly came to blows in the presence of Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai at an event in Ramanagara on Monday. The event was organized to unveil statues of B.R. Ambedkar and Kempe Govda. Several leaders, including Karnataka Health Minister K. Sudhakar, were present when Ashwanath Narayan and DK Suresh nearly came to blows. Narayan allegedly made an aggressive speech targeting opponents, especially Congress, and claimed and BJP government is here to win the trust of the people and not betray them. The BJP leader also lashed out of workers who allegedly tried to disturb the event. During the speech, Congress MP DK Suresh burst towards Narayan after the BJP leader allegedly acknowledged a derogatory remark made by an audience member, including to DK Suresh. DK Suresh, who was also the brother of State Congress Chief DK Shivakumar, reportedly tried to snatch the mic, creating the further tension. Following the incident, Suresh and other Congress leaders, including MLCS Ravi, subsequently sat down on the stage on protest. After the event, Congress workers reportedly tore up Narayan's poster as mark of protest. This was Bommai's first visit to the district since becoming the chief minister.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.